afternoon, everyone. The discussion is related to the topic the role of lean agility and learning ambidexterity in Industry 4.0 implementation. Here in this article, empirically investigates how the traditional management practices, lean and agility enables the Industry 4.0 technology implementation and how the learning, explanatory and exploitative learning mediates these relationships. Grounded in strategic momentum theory and the contextual ambidexterity framework, the study uses the survey data from 166 Australian firms and applies BLS SEM analysis. The findings reveal that the lean practices have a strong and direct positive impact on this Industry 4.0 adoption, while agility alone does not directly influence the Industry 4.0 implementation. Instead, the agility contributes indirectly to the exploitative learning, which focuses on refining and upgrading the existing skills, process, and technologies. Contrary to the expectation, explanatory learning does not significantly mediate the Industry 4.0 adoption. Overall, the study highlights that the continuous improvement, standardization, and incremental learning rather than radical experimentation are critical enablers of successful Industry 4.0 implementation. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Key principles: lean as a foundation for Industry 4.0. Lean practices reduce process complexity and waste, making digitalization more effective and risk-free. Strategic momentum theory: organizations extends existing operational excellence strategies, lean toward advanced technologies. Learning exploitative learning, refining existing capabilities, significant enabler. Exploratory learning, radical experimentation, not experimentally supported. Agility through learning, not direct action. Agility impacts Industry 4.0 only when translated into exploratory learning. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Here is the individual application of the article. First is apply lean tool such as PSM, JIT, SFPD before introducing automation or smart manufacturing system. Second is focus on incremental digital upgrade rather than distributed technologies jump. Third is use Industries 4.0 tools, for example IoT, analytics, robotics, to enhance existing processing, not digitize waste. Third is provide Kaizen-driven learning to strengthen exploitative learning capability. Fifth is align engineering management decision with long-term operational excellence strategies. Thank you. Lean practices directly and significantly enable Industry 4.0 adoption. Exploitative learning is the key mediator between the agility and Industry 4.0 success. Third point, agility without structured learning does not guarantee digital transformation. And so here conclusion is the study concludes that the Industry 4.0 is not merely a technological transformation, but as the evolutionary managerial journey organization can invest a lean system, continuous improvement culture, and exploitative learning capabilities are better positioned to successfully adopt mass manufacturing technology for engineering managers and academicians. The article reinforces the importance of integrating traditional operational excellence framework with modern digital technologies to achieve the sustainable industry 4.0 outcomes. Thank you.
अभी आप बोल